Hey guys, this is EYL 892 Alarms, and this will be fire alarm system test 51, so let's get started. Anyway, this will be a quick test. I'm not going to be too much onto this right now, but got the 10ED, the UMO 10ED or MS 10ED, they're both the same. Got the Simplex 2098 9201 smoke detector. Here we have a FOS 6220. I finally got a 6220. Got a frosted strobe on it, and it's going to be doing march time from the panel. Got the Faraday BG12, and we have this rare evacuate worded strobe by Faraday. I forgot the model number of this, but it's a pretty uncommon strobe. Very uncommon. It's got a gray plate on the, it's got a gray flush plate on it. Pretty rare. We have a Simplex 4904-9101 strobe. The same 5451 heat detector. And we got a Simplex 4251-21. We have an FCI MS2. A net seater. And then we had the 6227W horn strobe in here by Faraday. And that's also going to be doing much time. And we have the Simplex 498 9601 smoke detector. We're going to start in here. We'll pull the MS2 in 3, 2, 1. Sit back here, man. Okay. Audible silence for a wire. There's the evacuate strobe, pretty bright. Here's this thing. Let's reset that pulsation. Zone 4. Set this pulsation. And reset from the outsider. Alright. So now let's do the pulsation, the Simplex pull. Okay, I'm key activated set pull on it. Okay. Let's pulls our reset, where you can reset the pulsation. We'll go into reset panel. Now we'll do the, let go normal. Okay. We're gonna do this now. I'll let that air out for a second. Okay. Hopefully that will reset. I also moved took down the heat detector disable able switch because I moved the heat detector to the Vista 20p. So yeah, you'll see that in the next Vista 20p test. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and reset. And we're going to do the Faraday BG12 now. So we'll do that right now. Here we go. That's it from the panel. We'll go ahead and reset that pull station. Okay. So, actually reactivate the system by activating the heat detector. So we'll do that. Reset. Alright, now we get to do the 4098 9601 smoke detector. Here we go. So it's our guy, zone 5 alarm. Let's get all that smoke out of there. And we'll end the test, so yeah. Okay. Got 2-wire audible silence. And yeah. That thing, and then there's this. So, anyway, I guess I just do all the coatings and that's it. Just do that. So reset, and then we'll just do all the coatings here. The camera, it's flashing. There it is. Reset, and then we're going to do the most annoying thing, continuous. Not going to set this one off for too long because the neighbors, but whatever, I guess. Neighbors are going to hate me for this right now because what I am going to do is, yeah. Yes! He's going to do it! That's right. Okay, I think I'm done. Alright, I think I'm done for now. Alright, well, that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Please join the Discord servers, mine and the official FACS Fire Alarm Community server. So, please join. Alright. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.